Getting your wife back is not a task, it is a journey. Hi, Coach Val here, and in this video, I want to talk about getting your wife back is not a task and why is it a journey. I'm going to talk about what is a task, what is a journey, but then I'll give you 3 steps of this journey to get your wife back. But before I do that, here is a disclaimer. This video is not for you if you want to find out who is right and who is wrong, and if you want to find out why your wife is wrong, because by doing that, you will never ever get your wife back. This video is for you if you are genuinely interested in having a marriage that will last for a lifetime. Then it is for you. So, what is the task and what is the journey? Task is it's a particular thing you do. Journey is a process. Most men do this. When their wife leaves them and says, I never want to come back, they keep calling her up. They keep messaging her. They go to her house and talk to them, talk to the parents, convince her, beg her, request her to come back. Because in their mind, they think that this is a task. And I'm going to complete this task by talking things out. But it never works. And you would have realized that. Why it doesn't work, and then we'll talk about the journey. Why it doesn't work? Because the way you moved apart did not happen overnight. It is not that one morning your wife got up and said to herself, I want to go to my mother's house and I never want to come back. The way you moved apart was a journey in itself. In this journey, you and her started feeling a sense of disconnect. When she felt a disconnect, she started criticizing you. And when you felt this disconnect, you started moving apart. And one fine morning, you had a big fight. That was the epitome of what was happening. That was a tipping point. And then she left you. So it was a process. It was not happened overnight. So even if you want to bring her back, it cannot happen overnight. If you try to do it, then what will happen is she'll say, I don't want to come back. Don't force me. She'll block your phone. Instead of that, you got to follow a journey of getting her back home. And this journey has 3 steps. The first step is attraction. That means she needs to see in small little ways that her husband is becoming a better man, is changing, is transforming. And for that, you have to go through a personal transformation process. Then only you will understand what went wrong, your personality type, her personality type, the way you have been communicating, what pulled her away, what made her to go away, why she doesn't want to come back. You will understand all those things. That's attraction. The second thing is building trust. That means when she consistently sees you in small little ways, because you might be thinking that she is away from me, how will she see the changes? She will see the changes because our brain is so quick to notice the changes in the other person. In fact, research says that at 1/300th of a millisecond, our brain can figure out that the person has changed. So she will notice this change by the way you call her up or not call her up, the way you say hello to her, the way you send a message, when you go to meet her, how you talk, when she starts criticizing you, what do you do? She will notice all the changes. And when she notices these changes, she's not going to trust you immediately. She's going to doubt. So the second step of this journey is to build trust. When she consistently sees you being that awesome person, now the trust is built in our mind towards you. That is B. So it's ABC model, very simple to understand. So attraction, building trust, and then connection. So connection is when she understands these things, she feels a sense of connection towards you. And when she feels that sense of connection, you make that connection stronger and stronger and stronger. And when that connection reaches its peak, she will say, I want to come back. Not until then. because a change cannot be pushed on somebody. When you push a change on somebody, that person resists. That's how our brain is wired. The change has to be their decision. If you are somebody who wants to bring his wife back, who wants to work on himself to become the man that your wife falls in love with, then I invite you for a very special masterclass that I do on Saturdays. It happens at 9 o'clock. And the way to sign up for this masterclass is to go to coachval.co, that is COACH, val.co, and sign up for the masterclass. And in the masterclass, I'm going to teach you a whole lot of things. And then I'll give you an opportunity to get into a hub of awesome husbands where we learn relationship science to bring about changes in us in order to bring about change in our spouse. So I'll see you at the masterclass. Until we connect again, keep your love story alive. Bye bye.